Hello everyone, here is Pierre from OGarden. Hope you're super well today. So today we're making a little live, so I really want to show you, the different kind of seeds we can grow in the OGarden, and yeah, really how it's working, So I'm gonna show you how to taking care of the OGarden, how to bring life. So first of all, I will show you some of kind of seeds that we've approved and we've tested and we know that's working well on the OGarden. First of all, I will just want to tell you that first, very important to have a local seeds for everyone. So what it means is I'm going to show you the seeds from US, which is for the US people. Of course, we do have another supplier for Canada, which is a seeds from Canada, and for Europe the same. So we do have seeds for Europe coming from Europe. So I'm going to show you some seeds. It may slightly change the variety will slightly change depending on the demographic of the geography. So if you're in Canada or US, could be a little bit different. But whoever at the end. It will be all the approved seeds. So what do we have here? We do have an astrium, which is kind of flowers that we can eat. It's super nice, a bit spicy, it's super good and beautiful as well. We do have some strawberries. These one are alpine strawberries named Mignonette. We do have parsley. We do have, I'm gonna place myself like that. So we do have a basil. We do have cherry tomatoes. As well about the cherry tomatoes, many people asking me like, I don't understand how it can work, because sometimes we can find kind of cherry tomatoes like super tall, So they was wondering how it can work on your garden. Of course, this is a specific kind of cherry tomato plant, which is a dwarf one. So the plant is not that high, but the cherry tomatoes are like normal size, but the plant is dwarf. So this is the reason why it's fit in the OGarden. We do have as well some chili pepper. So this one is the Thai chill. So super spicy, like if you like challenge, you can try that. We do have as well some peppers, sweet peppers. This one is the baby snack, the orange one. We do have thyme, French thyme. We do have mint, dill. This is a tatsoi, which is a kind of Chinese cabbage. We do have as well some kale. This one is the lacinato. We do have another kind of Chinese cabbage, which one is the pak choy. We do have chard. We do have green onions. Of course, different kind of lettuce. And this is another kind of lettuce. So this is one, like some of the seeds that we do offer and we do know it's working well. But of course, again, what can be fun on the OGarden, part of the fun is to try many different things, Actually, the OGarden is specifically made for leafy veg and small fruit like cherry tomatoes, etc., and herbs. But we do have some customer here in Canada that used to grow some baby carrots inside of the OGarden, which was not really made for that, but it's working, it's cool. So you can try everything you want. So, and this is the reason why now I'm going to show you this pod. So this little pod contains all it needs for the plant to grow. So there is the soil, there is the fertilizer, everything. And this pod is organic, certified organic, and coming from Canada. Actually, the soil is coming from not too far from Niagara Falls, so at the border with US. And so basically there is a kind of little hole over here, and we just have to put a seed on it, like that, and then we place that inside of the OGarden. I will show you just right after how it's working inside, and it will start to grow. So it will be watered, and when it's full of water, it's this size high. So it's become like super bigger. And so we do have the little plant start to grow inside. So it starts to be this size, then it grows higher and higher. Around this size, which is 2 to 3 weeks, depending of the kind of plant, it will be time for the plant to go into the wheel. So I'm going to show you. And then when it, you know, like for example, this is a kind of lettuce like almost done for harvest. You know, it's nice size, and yeah, we will be able to harvest that super soon. So basically, I fold mine. Okay. So basically, this is the box that compose the wheel. So all the wheel is full of this kind of box. So basically, we just have to open the box, and it's made for the little pod. So we just have to place all the little pod like that. You know, it's super simple actually. We just place that, and we can place up to three pods per box, and there is 20 box per wheel, so which is 60 plants into the wheel, and we can place 30 plants into the furniture inside. So that way we can have up to 90 veg on the same time. So basically, we just have to close the box. I just don't want to kill the leaf. Okay, right? So click. Okay, so then we do have the box closed like that, and we will place it into the wheel. First of all, I want to show you inside. So we do have the little pod like this. We place seeds on it, and then we just have to open and place it over here. So here we do have two levels. First one is for the water tank. So here we do have a tank full of water, and the pump system will take the water here. We do have two pump systems, one for the tray and one for the wheel. So this is the water tank. Here is the storage place. Right now we've placed a bucket, but it's not necessary. You can place whatever you want. And in the upper stage, it's the place for the babies. So we place all the little pod. We start we push on the start button, and the watering will start, and the lights will start to be on and off, and all the process will start to work here. So you know, just to show you, there is another little plant over here growing. This is the second level. I'm gonna show you just to give you an idea what's the screens look like. So you have the time of the day, you have between how many times you've started the program, you have the information about the watering, about the light. So there is here the start button, so you just have to push start to start the watering here and the light, and the same for the wheel. So when we take the plant and we bring it to the wheel, we push the start button for the wheel. We as well do have kind of custom-made option. So what it means is that you can adjust everything you want. If you know, like the system will automatically regulate everything. However, if anything's happen, like I don't know, for example, you unplug the OGarden for a few days or whatever, you have always access to manual options. So you can manage the watering, the time, the light. You can as well choose the language. So all the program is in French, English, Spanish, and Dutch. So if you understand one of these 4 languages, you're okay. And yeah, then so you have the wheel. So when your plants are tall enough, it's time to place it into the wheel. So I'm going to show you. It's super simple. We just place the bucket like that. That's it. And yeah, it will start to turn around. The light will on and off as well, and the watering system going to be over here. And when you know, right now the wheel is turning, and when the the bucket hit the water here, it will water the plant. So basically, this is how it's working. So you can see it's super simple. And of course, when you receive your OGarden, you will have a user manual like this one. So again, this one is in French, English, Spanish, Dutch, and as well even in Chinese. So we don't really yet deliver in China, but if someday we do, we are ready. So I'm gonna show you. I will just find the English part. Yeah. So basically, what you will find inside of the user manual, of course, what is in the box and how to mount the OGarden, which is super easy, in fact, because all the furniture over here is already fully mounted. All you have to do is to mount the wheel, which is around 8 screws, you know. So it's super simple. Then you have all the steps that I've just made right now. And of course, explanation of the screen, so all the different parts, and as well you can find some tips. So for example, you know, like how to taking care of herbs like mint or basil, which is usually very interesting to get the head, so we can use the head of the plant and the plant will continue to grow. So many different kind of tips like that to just improve the growing, you know. And yeah, that's it. The next page will be around, of course, all the warranty and legal text. So I want to say that all the device, it's fully warranted for 1 year for the part. So like kind of standard in the industry. So this is all standard warranty. And yeah, this is basically how it's working. So if you have any other question, whatever, just please ask us. Next time I will show you a bit more about the part, you know, like how we build that, how we made the different part, talking about the electronic system, you know, there is a kind of little computer inside. So I will show you a bit more about the structural part and how the OGarden is really working that way. And yeah, so far, if you have any question, whatever, ask again, and please go ahead on our Kickstarter page. So right now we're running a campaign, and it's like the best deal ever if you want to have an OGarden. So I really encourage you to go there, have a look, and yeah, I wish you a super good day. Bye bye.